Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a project which is building on the biggest narrative, or one of the biggest narrative in the next bull cycle, and that is not else but AI, artificial intelligence. But before I tell you what they are doing, what they are building, and how you can get access to them, make sure that you click the subscribe button and follow us on the socials. If you have done that, we can start. Today we are talking about TaDa. It's a French project and they want to tackle something which they had trouble with when they started the company back in 2015. Because as the CEO said,
it's really expensive. We receive a lot of bad quality data.
So they said we are not going to deal with the bad data anymore for a lot of money. We are going to create a project where we can create revenue from data by buying this data from the community, from everyone around the world. Now the vision what they want to achieve is very easy to understand. They want to make sure that the data they will offer can be used in many shapes and forms for companies who want to build any kind of AI-based applications. And that goes from recognizing pictures or images to audio recordings. Therefore, in this initial phase, they are covering, let's say, 3 use cases, but in those 3 use cases, there are also multiple use cases. It's the voice, the computer vision, and text. Obviously, we talk about Siri, for example, which is a voice-based application. It will just talk back to you. There will be the computer vision, recognizing pictures, videos, images, frames, or whatever you need to be verified or double-checked using AI. And obviously, the text, we can talk about ChatGPT, for example, the newest and the biggest one, which will just solve you some problems with a text-based solution. Obviously, these use cases are just a few of what can be achieved and what can be built with this kind of data. However, I think we already are reaching how the company will want to create revenue, because that is what we want to know. Okay, what is the vision first and how they want to create revenue to stay afloat, because that is the important. We want this company, we want our investments to be safe and to be a long-term investments. And the answer is very easy to understand. Community members who will provide value by reading something, sending a message, or checking somebody else's audio recording will receive a reward. Something like a proof of work or move to earn. This is check and provide value to earn, because for every value you add to this application, to this company, you will get rewarded for that. And that is in their application TaDa. That is the first step how you can be involved and how you can already earn some tokens, even though they are not launched yet. Now, I'm gonna show you the application just real quick because I have access to the beta and you can have access to the beta as well, just so you see what kind of challenges are in the application. As you can see here, I am on my dashboard. Hopefully you can see it next to my head, my phone screen, and I have already in my wallet 12.62 tokens. That is the reward I got for providing some value, and obviously I have 0.22 locked. Those locked ones are soon to be checked tasks, okay, because everything is triple checked. It's very important that the data they are providing will be triple checked, it will be categorized, and obviously the clients will pay for the quality they get, okay? Not just any quality, the highest price. If you want lower quality, you will also have to pay a lower price for that. On the other hand, if you want a high quality audio recording with no background noise, recorded with a good microphone, maybe a specific accent from the UK or Scotland or Ireland, or Eastern European in my case, obviously, then the clients will pay a higher price for that. Now, let's check the challenges. I hope that I will be able to show you some, because my energy is not filled up yet. As you can see here on the energy box, I have 25 out of 100. This is a very good control of the inflation of the token, okay? You cannot abuse the application. You need to wait the energy to be recharged. And right now, as you can see, 1 second, I have image classification, okay? I can choose images and I can just say what kind of image I see. We cannot do that because I don't have enough energy. However, I have energy for audio production, so we are going to do one. As you can see, I have here a sentence. I need to say it and then I need to submit it if I'm confident that it's a good quality. So let's see, I press the record and my palms were sweaty and my mouth was dry. It must be a phobia. And stop and submit. Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, I also said something in plus in the beginning, but hopefully it's going to be okay for the sake of this video. Now, as you can see, we can do another one. Drinking and driving is irresponsible. everybody who watches this video should be also aware of that. And submit and confirm. As you can see, that is all. And now I have locked some tokens. Let's see if they already appeared in my wallet. Yes, as you can see, I had 0.22 before, and now I have 0.38. These are pending verification, and as soon as they are verified and accepted, meaning that the recording is understandable and the background noise is not too heavy, then I will receive those tokens in my wallet. Now, before recording this video, I also asked how many people are using this application, because I was very interested to see how popular it is. And in the beta test, because this is only a beta, it is not released yet, there are already 5,000 people testing this application and more than 2 million tasks were completed already. I have to admit, I also contributed with like 10, 12, so I am doing my part. Now, before we go forward and I tell you how you can participate in the public sale, I just want to mention that there is also a TaDa competition which is going to be launched in a couple of days. This competition will bring you extra rewards. So when you are testing this application and you are providing data, you already get the reward. With this competition, which is described on Medium, you will get a ranking as well. This means that besides the reward you get for each audio file you record, for example, you will also get a score of participations, and at the end of the week, the leaderboard will be reviewed, and those who are in front obviously will get some extra reward for their contribution. Now, how you can participate in this competition and in testing the beta version of the application, as you can see in the article, the first 100 participants can use this code. It's in the article, so you should click on the article and try to use the code. But if you cannot use it because you are already the 102nd, for example, then I'm sure that if you follow TaDa on Twitter and you send them a DM demanding an access code, they will get you one. Okay, I don't have any confirmation about that yet, but I think you should just storm into their Discord and Twitter handle, and you should demand your referral codes so you can just earn as much as possible, because usually, and I'm saying this from experience, the most you can earn is in the beta phase, okay? That is when most of the rewards are distributed to the community, when everybody will jump in. And the number of users jump from 5,000 to 500,000, then obviously the rewards will be much smaller. So yeah, keep that in mind. Now, how you can access the public sale? Because maybe you will want to invest in the company or in the project. TaDa will be launched on X Launchpad. It's the next official X Launchpad project. It is on the MultiversX ecosystem. Everybody can participate in the public sale lottery, and it's a no-lose lottery, meaning that if you buy a lottery prize and you don't win any TaDa tokens, then you will get refunded, okay? So all the e-gold you spent will be sent back to you. We don't have an official date yet, but I'm sure that it will be announced in time on TaDa's Twitter and Discord server. So again, make sure that you follow them and turn on the notification. Obviously, we will also share it. So follow us as well on Twitter and Telegram, because we will share any big announcements happening with the project. And just to explain to you very fast what you need in order to participate at the public lottery, you need e-gold staked in a MultiversX native wallet. That means Exporto, web wallet, or the plugin or extension, browser extension. You need to stake there some e-gold. Obviously, the more e-gold you have staked, the bigger chances you have to win. And when everything will be announced, you just follow the steps of the lottery ticket buying and then the tokens withdrawal, so you can do whatever you want with them, obviously. Hope you got an answer to all your questions. If you do have any more questions about the project, then drop a comment and we will try to answer you as fast as possible. I will come back with another update a bit later, probably when they are just about to launch, in order to keep you up to date. But until then, take care and make sure that you press the subscribe button, because we are bringing you some alpha infos about small market cap tokens.